In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare QuickBooks Online versus QuickBooks Desktop. To start, open your browser and go to the official QuickBooks comparison page at quickbooks.intuit.com. Then navigate to the section that talks about moving to QuickBooks Online. This page is helpful because it shows the key differences side by side, straight from the source, and it's a good visual reference as you follow along with this walkthrough. Let's begin with QuickBooks Online. This version is cloud-based, which means your data is stored on remote servers instead of just one computer. You can log in from almost any device with an internet connection, whether that's a laptop, tablet, or even a phone. This is especially useful if you or your team work from different locations or you travel frequently. QuickBooks Online also handles updates and backups for you automatically. You don't have to worry about installing the latest version or remembering to back up your file. The system takes care of that in the background. Because it's online, collaboration is much easier as well. Multiple users can work in the books at the same time, which is great for remote teams, outside accountants, or owners who want real-time visibility. The interface in QuickBooks Online is more modern and streamlined, which many users find easier to learn. It also connects to a wide range of third-party apps, like payment processors, time-tracking tools, and e-commerce platforms. Pricing is subscription-based, usually monthly or annual, so you spread the cost out over time. Overall, online is best suited for businesses that need remote access, rely on other apps, and prefer that updates and backups are handled automatically. Now, let's look at QuickBooks Desktop. This version is installed on a specific computer or network in your office. You do not need an internet connection for most day-to-day tasks, which some businesses prefer for stability or internal control. However, because it's installed locally, collaboration is more limited. You can set up multi-user mode within an office network, but it's not as flexible for remote teams. Desktop uses an older style interface, and while powerful, it feels less modern. It also integrates with fewer external apps compared with online. Updates are not automatic. You generally purchase a new version or renew annually when you want the latest features. The pricing structure is more of a one-time annual purchase. Desktop is often a better fit if you have complex inventory management or very specific industry requirements and like that more traditional purchase model. To choose between them, start by assessing your business needs. Think about your size, whether you need remote access, and how important features like advanced inventory or industry-specific reporting are to you. Match the features to how you actually operate. If you depend on multiple apps and remote work, QuickBooks Online will likely line up better with your workflow. If your inventory workflows are intricate or you rely on detailed, specialized reporting, Desktop might serve you better. Next, consider scalability. QuickBooks Online tends to offer more flexibility as your business grows, especially if you anticipate adding users or new tools over time. Migrating from desktop to online later is possible, but it can be more complex than starting in the right system from the beginning. Finally, factor in cost. With online, you'll have an ongoing monthly or annual subscription, which includes updates. With desktop, you pay an annual amount for the license, and that cost may rise when you move to newer versions. Weigh not just the price, but also the time saved from automatic updates, backups, and easier collaboration. By walking through accessibility, updates, collaboration, interface, integrations, pricing, and your long-term plans, you'll be able to clearly decide whether QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop is the better fit for your business.